Hi, this is Team We Love Accounting. And for this year MYOB Digital Challenging, we will choose finance as our topic to research. And we choose the area of the topic as the cash flow statement mistake. Enjoy our presentation.
So first of all, we'll be talking about the nature of Australian economy and how finance workflow can help Australian business. 99.8% of Australian economy consists of small and medium business, and more than 50% of this business owner agree that cost management and financial performance are the most important aspect of managing a business. The financial workflow of MYOB Business Management Platform is created to help business with catalog their invoice financing, payment receipt, expense tracking and coding, as well as managing their cash flow. However, there's still a limited number of suitable solutions to help small and medium business keep track of their cash flow efficiently. This business heavily rely on traditional Excel entry for record keeping. Some small business even financially record their cash flow. This traditional method of reviewing cash flow have high risk of error, time consuming, and labor intensive. They can lead to two most important errors, which is hefty or unexpected expense, as well as numerous of automatic recurring charge that can be overlooked, which may result in a cash flow crunch and disrupt the cash availability of the business. Secondly, unclear payment term and collection plan, which can lead to payment overdue and possibly generate additional fee. Unclear collection plan are the major factors of low account receivable turnover, which is an indication of poor credit policy, bad debt collecting methods, and result in low liquidity. Business unable to maximize its use of money as an asset.
Thanks, Anne. So, to address these challenges, we propose an innovative solution that leverages generative AI technology. The proposed solution is a cash flow optimization AI platform that leverages generative AI and machine learning algorithms to address the cash flow errors commonly encountered by small and medium businesses. This platform streamlines the cash flow management process, reduces errors, and enhances financial decision making. There are three main processes to run this platform. The first one is data collection and integration. Step 2 is model training and anomaly detection. And the final step is account receivables predictions. The solution starts by collecting and integrating relevant data from various sources within the enterprise, such as financial databases and accounting system, including transaction records, invoices, receipts, and other financial documents. It retrieves cash flow data, including income, expenses, receivable, and payable, either through automated data retrieval or manual input. The data collecting process also includes transaction amounts, time spent, customer information, and product details. This data is consolidated and prepared for further analysis. Additionally, data preprocessing techniques are applied to clean and normalize the data, handling missing values and outliers. Now let's move to step 2. Using the machine learning algorithms, generative AI creates outputs based on a training dataset of historical data. This allows them to detect the pattern of business expenses. Thus, they can generate an optimal expense allowance for the business. The machine is also able to detect outlier algorithms, which are employed to identify abnormalities within the financial data, such as bypass underlying, automatic recurring charges, or unexpected hefty expenses. Then the generative AI can timely regenerate the firm's expense, planning to adapt for the changes. The AI also has access to the origin of any automatic recurring charges within the business as they are part of the financial data. This gives the AI the ability to analyze the usefulness of the subscription and notify the business of untouched subscription that they should consider canceling. Generative AI helps minimize the impact of recurring charges on the cash flow and constantly keep track of expenses to prevent the disruption of cash availability of business. Next one is account receivables predictions, threshold determination, and alert generation. All businesses that allow sale on credit have a collection plan, whether their customer use one-time payment or on a continuous payment plan. With a large amount of data inputs on customers' payment behavior and their payment schedules, machine learning can be highly accurate in predicting the status of invoices, either late or on time. Historical and exemplar data can be used to significantly improve the accuracy and intensify the extensive comparison ability of the machine learning model. Based on the trained models, AI can recognize the optimal payment behavior. The threshold is set to define the level of deviation from such behavior. Transactions or patterns falling outside the threshold are flagged as concern and triggers the alert systems. This alert system will send notification to relevant customers in regard to their late or missing payments as either a gentle reminder or warning that their concerning payment conduct can lead to further investigation and additional fines may apply.
Solution that some of the company already using to solve the mistake problem in accounting and tax. So there are three most well-known systems that many companies has used. The first one I would like to talk about is the GenOS system. So in this Intuit GenOS is comprised of the 4 core components. The first component is the Gen Studio. In this step, it's allowed the Intuit developer to rapidly experiment with and refine the generative AI experiences for users. And the second component is the Gen Runtime. This is to ensure that users receive accurate and complete responses informed by their specific need and as well as in their different situations. And the third one is the Gen UX. This component is to ensure a clear, delightful, and transparent experience for interacting with the LLMS. The last one is the financial large language model. In this component, there will be a custom trained financial LLMS that is specialized in solving tax, accounting, marketing, cash flow, and personal finance challenges. And it will provide a actionable insights and invoke actions like contacting human expert. And coming up into the second system that is just also as well known as GenOS is the FinTech Kiriba. So this platform working as a cash management AI tool, it's using the data science to predict cash availability with increased speed, control, and reliability. And the purpose of this is to improve the company cash management as well as forecasting the capability of the company. And the last platform is the JP Morgan Chase. So the JP Morgan Chase, the commercial banking, had developed a artificial intelligence machine. It can learning and by using a wealth of data that can be shared between financial institutions to help the enterprise create a holistic cash flow model, as well as the factor-in scenarios, using the factor-in scenario such as mergers and acquisition, for short is the M&A, and unanticipated expenditure.
So now that we have talked about both our newly proposed solution and the existing solution, we can compare them. The focus point of other solution as fintech is that mainly focused on cash flow forecasting, budget estimation, and future balance. Due to its function of highly focused on budget and cash flow forecasting, fintech is more compatible with banks and other financial institutions to predict their customer ability to pay back loans, to better allocate their resources and minimize the probability of incurring bad debt or account receivable overdue. JP Morgan is a large bank. Their main focus is creating cash flow model, share information between financial institutions, which help to assist decision making. JP Morgan Chase AI platform is highly cost ineffective, as the cost of maintenance and cost of establishing is high, as they are a big operation, which more suitable for other big operations and banks. The third one, GenOS AI system, is the one that comes closest to meet the need of small and medium business, as they provide budget control, cash flow tracking, and financial assets. Intuit, which is the company that developed GenOS system, is being unclear about the type of data that the AI is trained based on. The fact that syntactic data can be easily manipulated by financial participants and politicians is concerning to business, as it can greatly impact the outcome of the cash flow statement and ultimately affect their operation decision making. The lack of information and integrity, as well as security issues, are the biggest setback that prevent GenOS to become the best platform for small and medium business. Whereas our main concern is minimizing cash flow error caused by traditional recording method, which is one of the most popular record-keeping method within the small and medium business. Our program is tailored design focused on small and medium enterprise with custom AI trained based on historical data of individual business users. To best suit their need, we have included a number of features that the other AI couldn't provide, which is expense control, anomaly detection, automatic classification of transaction, and alert system.
Now let's talk about the impact of the solution and how it helps solve the cash flow problem of ANZ businesses. So there are 4 main benefits to small and medium business. Firstly is improved cash flow statement, time and cost savings, early detection of financial issues, and data-driven insights. In terms of improved cash flow management, the AI solution helps SME gain better control and visibility over the cash flow. It identifies potential errors, highlights areas for improvement, and provides the recommendation to optimize cash flow. This enables SME to better manage their working capital, reduce financial risk, and ensure sufficient liquidity for business operations. Next is time and cost savings. By automating the cash flow analysis process, the AI solution saves time and reduces manual effort for SMEs. This allows business owners and finance team to focus on other strategic tasks and decision making, ultimately improving overall productivity and efficiency.
Thanks, Fleur. Now we'll continue the impact. So the next one is the early detection of financial issues. And the system that we propose can detect the financial issues early on SMEs, identify cash flow errors, normalize in real time, and it will prompt corrective action to mitigate the risk, as well as it can help to address payment delays, renegotiate supplier terms. The next one is the data-driven insight. It can provide the data-driven insight for SMEs, analyze of cash flow data, generate actionable recommendations, as well as it can assist the SMEs to make informed financial decisions, optimize financial strategy for enhanced performance. And lastly, we will sum up by the 4 benefits to the accounting industry as a whole. So first of all, it can streamline the cash flow analysis. By automate cash flow analysis, it can reduce the manual effort for accountants, enable focus on value-added tasks, enhance financial planning, advisory, compliance. Secondly, it can enhance the accuracy and auditability. It can bring the efficiency, detect cash flow fraud, identify suspicious patterns using machine learning, enable early detection, and minimize financial losses by safeguard the financial integrity of the business. And thirdly, it can bring the efficient fraud detections. So by improve the accuracy of financial statement, it can enhance the reliability and auditability of cash flow report. It will then provide the assurance of the stakeholder and the regulator. And lastly, it's a value-added service. It can enable the value-added service for accounting firm, offer cash flow optimization consulting, for financial analysis as well as forecasting. It's bring differentiate offerings, attract new clients, and it can also strengthen the client relationship. And that's also bring us to the end of the presentation. Here's our reference link. And thank you all so much for your listening. And I hope you guys have a good day.